Are you looking for the best motorcycle lift tables? Motorcycle lift tables are essential for safe, efficient maintenance and repair. A good lift not only raises a bike to a comfortable working height, but also provides stability, adjustability, portability, and protection for both the motorcycle and shop floor. In this review, I systematically compare 5 popular models across price, build quality, lifting range, stability features, and ease of use. Product number 1. Strongway Steel Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift. The Strongway Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift is a dedicated foot-operated platform lift rated for up to 1,000 pounds with a rugged diamond plate steel platform and a removable ramp. It features a built-in safety pin mechanism and a floor-protective ramp design that expands and contracts via hinges and rollers. This model emphasizes stability and durability with a substantial 335-pound weight and an integrated pump for hands-free operation, making it well-suited for frequent, longer maintenance sessions and professional shops that demand reliability. In practice, the lift provides quick elevation to around 30 inches, which aligns with standard front-end maintenance heights. The combination of a heavy cast steel frame and a robust platform reduces flex under load, while the removable ramp facilitates vehicle entry and exit without skidding or floor damage. However, the product page does not list a precise lifting speed or pump stroke, so smoothie operation and long-term pump wear require real-world assessment. Given the high weight, indoor storage and transport considerations are important, and the unit's footprint is substantial, which may constrain smaller garages. Product number 2. 350 pounds Motorcycle Lift Jack Table. This Jack Boss lift is a compact, portable scissor jack table rated for 350 pounds with a 15-inch by 11.5-inch deck and a lifting range of 12 inches to 33.5 inches. It includes 360-degree swivel casters plus lockable casters, making it versatile for small shops or home garages where space and mobility matter. The red powder-coated steel construction and textured rubber top pad emphasize non-slip performance and corrosion resistance, while a safety pin and bolt mechanism add security against accidental lowering. In use, the combination of hydraulic assist and foot pedal makes lifting intuitive, with the swivel caster configuration enabling easy repositioning around a workbench or tool area. The main limitation is the modest 350-pound capacity, which excludes some larger dual-sport or heavyweight cruisers, and the lack of a wide deck compared to higher-end models can constrain contact area on wider tires. The unit's portability is a major plus for hobbyists who perform maintenance in multiple locations or on the go. Product number 3. Vevor Motorcycle Lift. Vevor's 1,100-pound capacity lift pairs a central crank with an X-frame design, wide 14.6 inches by 9-inch platform, and 4 casters for mobility. It emphasizes ease of operation via a hand crank, foldable structure for compact storage, and a robust powder-coated finish. The dolly option and tool tray add practical value for owners performing routine maintenance and wheel-free adjustments in a small workshop. Performance-wise, the center hoist crank and wide deck provide stable lifting at a lower effort level than pure hydraulic systems, especially for frequent lighter maintenance sessions. The 4 casters improve maneuverability, while the fold and store capability reduces footprint when not in use. A potential caveat is that the lifting speed depends on manual crank effort, which may be slower than hydraulic rivals, and the total lifted height is modest, approximately 15 inches, which remains suitable for wheel removal and basic service, but not for heavy front-end work that requires higher clearance. Product number 4. Vevor Motorcycle Lift. This variant mirrors the 1,100-pound Vevor design with a wide 14.4 by 9-inch deck and a 6-position safety pin system. It emphasizes oil and rust resistance with a powder-coated finish, a compact fold height of 3.7 inches, and no casters, stationary design. The 6-position safety pin offers reliable, adjustable stops for various bike geometries, enhancing rider safety during maintenance. In practice, the stationary configuration excels in workshop setups where a fixed, stable platform is preferred over mobility. The lack of casters reduces accidental movement during heavy lifting, but makes repositioning more challenging in cramped spaces. The 14.4 by 9-inch deck ensures a broad contact surface, and the 3.7-inch folded height aids storage. However, the absence of rollers or wheels can be a drawback for users who need to frequently reposition the lift around a home garage. Product number 5. 350-pound motorcycle lift jack table. This JackBoss model mirrors the 350-pound capacity variant with a slightly different model designation, ASDL 1130-B, and a 15-inch by 11.5-inch deck. It features a hydraulic foot-operated lift, 2 swivel casters, 2 lockable casters, and a red powder-coated steel frame. It offers the same practical safety pin mechanism and anti-slip deck, positioning it as a lower-capacity, highly portable option within the JackBoss lineup. With a reported 1.9 out of 5-star rating from a small sample, user feedback highlights potential quality or reliability concerns relative to the other 350-pound JackBoss option. In practical terms, this model should be considered a budget-oriented, lighter-duty option for smaller bikes or casual maintenance tasks. If you regularly service smaller street bikes or dirt bikes and require frequent repositioning, this model could be adequate, but be mindful of the limited capacity and reported variance in user satisfaction.